Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel for those of you that subscribe and take a lot of classes. And if you're brand new, welcome. This practice is going to be designed to help relax you. So maybe you are high stress, so the goal is to bring your stress level down. Maybe you're high energy, the goal is to bring the energy level back down. Or maybe you're headed to bed and the goal is to get you to the point where once this practice is over, you can roll up your mat and head straight to bed and relax and fall right to sleep. So feel free to use it for any of those different reasons that your body may need. And as we start today, we will do that lying down on our backs, okay? So come all the way down with me. I want you to feel your body, just kind of really find a place where it can rest into your mat. So there's no need for more, but instead just pleasure and enjoyment of being right here. I want you to rest your hands on your low belly. Your fingertips can interlace, or just let your hands lay flat with your fingertips almost touching. I invite you to breathe slowly and to notice as the breath moves through your body what may be causing your energy level to be so high and how we can work together during this practice to bring it down. Our goal here is to get our resting heart rate lower. It's to get our walking heart rate softer. It's to get our minds settled so that we're not racing or rushing or thinking or overdoing, but instead we feel at a very nice place of this peace within our mind, our body, and our spirit. I want you to take a big inhale through your nose. Open your mouth and let it go. Again, big inhale in. Open mouth, sigh. One more time, big inhale in. And open mouth, sigh. Let your hands come off the sides and then very slowly bend your knees. Plant your feet as wide as your mat and let your knees fall side to side. So I want you to feel your thighs drop in as your knees fall open. And just start to feel this little massage through the hips. So it's a dynamic form of stretching. It's a therapeutic form of movement, but it's also a repetitive movement. So it's a kriya in a yoga practice where you can just kind of let it go and you can let it go. So just side to side. Good. One more time. Exhale, land in the center. We're going to do what we call a wave bridge. So I'm moving myself to the middle of my mat so I have a little bit more room. You guys are going to plant your hands next to you. Inhale, hips up, arms up. Big stretch over your head. Exhale, hips down, arms down, settle. Repeat. Inhale, hips up, arms up, stretch. Exhale, hips down, arms down, settle. One more. Inhale. Really try to open, broaden, stretch, and reach. Hold it here. Reach your arms long. Push through your feet. Keep your arms here. Lower your upper back, your low back, and then your butt. Exhale as your arms come out from over your head. Pull your knees into your chest for the first time. Massage your back. Good. Settle into your mat. Feel your back press down. Slow down your breath, okay? Good. On your next inhale, big rock to seated. And then gently scooch back on your mat some. Cross your shins. And you're going to simply walk your body forward into a nice forward bend. Exhale. Feel your energy calm down. Walk your hands over to the right for a little stretch through the left side of the lower back. And then exhale through center over to the left. Little stretch here. Come back to center. Exhale, bow down just a little bit more. And then bone by bone, rise up. Take your right hand behind you. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Just stretch straight up. Good. Put your left hand behind you. Raise your right arm up. Just stretch straight up. Beautiful. Exhale, transition to your hands and your knees. So tabletop position for me. So shifting any way you'd like to those hands and knees so that you feel comfortable. We're going to thread the needle, so take the right arm all the way up. Exhale, feed it through, lay down on the shoulder. Raise your left arm up to the sky, bring it over your head, stretch. Holding 3, 2. Glide your left hand back into place. Inhale, raise your right arm up to the sky. Switch sides for me. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Big stretch. Exhale, please thread your needle. Feed it through. Raise your right arm up and over your head. Stretch and lengthen. Exhale, push back with your hips. Glide your right hand back into place. Inhale, raise your left arm all the way up. Good. Exhale, hands down. Turn your right hand around. Turn your left hand around. Drive the heels of your hands down into the mat as you inhale. Come into cow. Stick out your bum. Exhale, nice rounding. Coming into cat. Pull the belly up and in. Press down with your heels of the hands into the earth. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, turn your hands forward. Tuck your toes under. Walk your hands back towards your knees. Your toes are almost touching, but turn your knees out so you have your feet about 1 inch apart. Exhale, walk your hands forward as you start to drape your chest down. Good. Breathe here. 3, 2. Walk your hands back so you're back here at the back of your mat. Raise your bottom up. Exhale, drop your head down. Fold. I just want you to feel your body round. I want you to feel your knees bend. I want you to feel your energy become quiet. My goal is not for you to fall asleep on your mat. It's to use the energy of calming down, of relieving your stress, your tension, or just getting yourself into a quieter place before bed. So the goal is to move, but can you find relaxation through that movement? Really rounded back as we come up to stand. Take your time. Get to the top. Exhale, soften the shoulders. Push down through your feet. Inhale, shoulders up, down, and around. Take your arms up, stretch. Pull your hands down through your heart, forward fold. Halfway lift your spine. Walk your hands forward to your plank, please. We're going to drop our knees, our chest, and our chin. And then you're going to lower the tummy. Inhale, press up, cobra. Nice and small back bend. Exhale, go flat. Bring your forearms forward, Sphinx. One and then the other. Pop up through the heart. Bend your knees, wag your feet for me side to side. Relax your hips, your low back. And see if this massages your quads. 3, 2, and 1. Release your legs down. Look forward as you press to straighten those arms. Soften. Good. Exhale. Just put your hands back where your elbows are. Big press. We come up and back through child's pose. Tap your hips to your heels. Bring your forehead down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Walk your hands back to your knees again. Tuck your toes again. Come back into that low squat, knees out. Walk your hands out, fold. See if you can get a little deeper. Exhale, standing forward fold, hands under the shoulders, press up through the hips, and then exhale, drop the heart. Tuck your chin to your chest, get small. Maybe take your hands, grab the back of those calf muscles. Feel everything kind of round together. Bone by bone, stand up. Take your time. Exhale, settle. We'll repeat that same flow from the back to the front of the mat. So reach up, forward fold. Lift and lengthen. Exhale, walk it out. Exhale again. We go knees, chest, chin. Drop the belly, slither through cobra. Exhale, go flat. Bring your forearms forward, Sphinx. One, and then the other. Exhale, rock side to side. Massage any tension out of the low back and hips, and for me, massaging those quads. Release your legs down. Breath in, push into your palms, lift your elbows, lift your forearms. Breath out, bring it down. Tuck your chin this time, roll your chin to your chest, and then look at where your elbows are, put your hands there. Exhale, push up a little bit, and then back, child's pose. Slow your breath. Good, quiet energy, quiet body. Come up to tabletop, hands and knees. We're going to draw 3 circles with the right knee. 1, 2, 3. Draw 3 circles the other way with the right knee. 1, aka reverse the direction. 2, 3. And now bring your shin through. Setting up for pigeon, slide your left leg back. Now, if you're too tight for this pose, you can lay on your back, cross your right ankle over your left thigh, or you can always slide a block underneath your right butt cheek or blanket. Exhale, start to bring your body down. Maybe you can bring your head down to your hands. Maybe you stack your hands if needed. Start to feel the stretch in the outside of this right hip and how it starts to calm the mind and the rest of the body together. Feel your energy become quiet. Maybe you just need a stretch. So you turned on this practice to move after an intense workout, and you just need to give yourself a chance to calm down. When you're ready, inhale, bring the torso back up. Exhale, I'm going to turn my back to you. Keep your right knee bent in. Exhale, your left leg is long. Turn your body towards your left leg, fold over it. You'll feel the stretch in the right lower back. Stretch, 3. Fold over the leg, 2. And then 1, bring it all the way up. Turn back to the front of your mat where we were doing pigeon pose. Exhale, slide your knees back together, tabletop. Give me a cow, stick out your bum. Give me a cat, tuck the chin. Pause here, make a fist on the right, make a fist on the left. Drive down through your knuckles, push up through your upper back. And now bring your hips back 3 inches, forward 3 inches. Back 3 inches, forward 3 inches. One more time, push back. Good, push forward. And then release your hands. Left knee is going to move in 3 circles. 1. Ooh, my hips popping there. 2. 3. Other side, 3, or other direction. Sorry, 2. 1. Exhale, pigeon, bring it through. Glide your right leg back. Inhale, bring your chest up. Pigeon pose, deep sensation to bring your body down to the earth, to give yourself a chance to really check in and notice all the things that come up during a yoga practice. Feel your energy become calm, relax, settle. Stack your fist if you want. Whatever is needed, breathe. Tuck your back toes under, glide your knee back some more. Lay the top of your foot down. Remember your option to lay on your back, cross left ankle over right thigh if pigeon on the left is not available. It is normal for it to be available on one side and not the other. I say that every time, but I just want you to always remember that so that you're not trying to do something that's just completely inaccessible. Straighten your arms. Now I'm going to turn towards you. So you're going to drop your left cheek to the left, aka butt cheek. Spin your right toes up for me. Keep the left knee bent like this. Exhale, keep turning towards your right leg. And now I invite you to try to fold over your right leg. 3. Keep stretching. You're going to feel the pull in your left lower back. 2. 1. Come all the way up. This time I want you to bring your feet together. Bound angle, sit up nice and tall. So ground down through your tailbone, lift up through your heart. Exhale as you hold your feet. We round forward together. Maybe roll your forehead in towards your chest, bringing the crown of the head down to your toes. Start to feel how your whole low back is stretching, all the muscles into the low back, outsides of the hips and glutes. And then exhale, slowly press up. I want you to put your hands behind you. You're going to bend your knees and plant your feet, and you're going to drop your knees to the right and then to the left. One more time right. One more time left. Good. Exhale from here, cross your ankles. Take a nice side stretch, so walk your fingertips away from you. Inhale, ground down, reach up. And I invite you to really create room. Try to roll open through these ribs and side body. Close your eyes. Let your ear come to your shoulder like it's a little pillow. Just stay. And then slowly rise up. Look up. Look up and over to the opposite hand. Lay your forearm down, and again, let your ear come to your shoulder like it's a little pillow. Close your eyes. Rest. Run your tongue over the tops of your teeth and then soften your tongue in your mouth. Look up on your inhale, press all the way up. Nice work. Quick switch of those shins for me, one and then the other. And then I want you to draw some circles, massaging your body around. Good, feeling it as it moves. Nice little circles. And then inhale, bring your arms all the way up to the sky. Exhale, gather your hands to your heart and close your eyes. You can choose to do with this seat what you wish. Maybe this seat brings you down onto your back and you move into a longer shavasana or quiet meditation. Maybe this seat enlightens you of what you have next and you feel calm and you feel prepared and more relaxed as you enter that situation. If you're just allowing your body to move, maybe you choose the best form of shavasana for you right now. Seated, laying down, meditation, or on your side. Stay with me if you'd like. I'm going to rest my hands in my lap. We have 3 quiet breaths together. Where hopefully if we were to check our heart rate from the beginning of practice to now, it has decided to slow down. Your resting state is more peaceful, more calm, more open. Your smile is more bright. Inhale your hands to your heart, whether you're laying on your back or your side or seated with me. Bow forward together, Namaste. And thank you so much for joining me for this nice and short form of movement to bring your body that might have been up here a little bit more down to down here and more manageable. Have a wonderful night's sleep if that's where you're headed, a calm rest of your day, or whatever else you have going on. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time.